I'm going to show you how to set up the Insignia Fire TV. This is the F50 series, step by step. First thing is go ahead and plug in your TV. Wait for it to boot up. It may take a while, but eventually it's going to get on this choose your language. Also make sure you go ahead and put the batteries in to your remote. Once you put it in, it should automatically be paired, okay? So I'm going to choose English for myself. And this is a regular, not a store use. We're just going to go right to continue. Now I have to sign into my Amazon account. I have two choices here, okay? I can sign in if I download this Fire TV app or if you ever use it, or you can just set up directly using the remote, okay? So you can scan that QR code, download that app, and go ahead and connect that way, or we can go this way. For me, I'm gonna just go ahead and do this one, set up with a remote here. So I'm going to, it says set up with remote. Let's select that. Scanning for Wi-Fi networks. Let's get to the Wi-Fi. Mine's right there. Enter Wi-Fi password. After you put in Wi-Fi, we're going to go down to connect. Select your experience. Do you want to do the full or do the basic? 90% of you guys are going to go do the full. I'm going to go with full as well. Let's select that. Now let me sign into my Amazon account. I already have an account, of course. Let's select that. Now we're going to register device, and we have two choices here, okay? We can sign in using a mobile phone or computer, or we can just go ahead and use the QR code. So either or is fine. We're just going to do this one here. Let me just grab my phone here. I got iPhone here. Let me open up Safari, and I'm going to go to that site, amazon.com/front/code, Amazon/code right there. So it brought me to the Amazon website and it asked me to sign into my account. And now that I signed in, now it says enter device code, and it looks like there's a code down here. Let me enter that. Okay, I just entered that code right there. Let's go ahead and tap on continue. And now this is what pops up here. You can read through that, and I'm going to tap on connect. And it says device is set up to your account, and now all of a sudden the TV's moving now along. Successfully registered. This will be registered to your account. It's Virgil, so that is me, so I will go ahead and continue. If it's not, change account. I will go with continue here. Save Wi-Fi passwords to Amazon. That's really optional. I'm fine with just going with yes. Now I have other Fire TVs as well, and I can restore, okay? Or I can restore it, or I can skip and start off fresh, okay? For this video, I'm just gonna start off fresh. We'll skip it, and just in case if you guys don't have any previous Fire TVs. So what do we get here? Okay, some kind of ad free trial. I'm gonna go with no thanks. Choose your streaming services. We can go ahead and just go with get started. You can always go with no thanks, and you can download your apps and stuff later as well. So let's see here. We'll just choose some here. I do have subscriptions to Disney Plus. I think I have it to Hulu. And then that's all I have there. Nothing there. Nothing there. And then I'm going to go down to continue. I have Netflix, but I didn't add it. I can add that like later, no problem though. I'll click on finish. Do you need parental controls? Yes or no? I don't, so I will go with no. Welcome to Fire TV. Go ahead and read through all that and then select got it. Scan for TV channels. You can add TV channels to your Fire TV. Do you want to set up now? So you can go ahead and continue with that if you want. For me, I'm going to go with no, and I will continue there. And voila, there you go. We're in business. And oh, they already preloaded Netflix, I guess, on here. So there you go. Pretty simple. Questions or issues? Just comment below.